Hi po, Ma'am Christy. Happy birthday po. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo sa inyong kaarawan. And salamat po sa sa support kay Princess tuwing may event. Andiyan ka para magpalakas ng loob. And hope more birthday to come po, Ma'am Christy. Enjoy your day po.
Hello Ate Christy! Happy 45th birthday! I hope na sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa sarili mo at sa family mo ay matupad. And I hope lahat ng mga prayers mo, mga goals mo ay makuha mo din in God's perfect time. Salamat sa iyo at salamat sa pag-a-assist sa amin ni Wapol pag wala kaming kasama. We love you, Ate Christy. God bless you. Bye-bye!
Amo, Ate Christy, happy birthday! Amo, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Amo, Ate Christy, happy birthday from Pepper, Kibos, saka yung mga kolika mo dito, Kise, KitKat.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy!
Yeah.
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 Happy birthday, Christy! Na-invite. Handa Lalamove.
Happy birthday, Yaya Christy.
Happy birthday,
Yaya
Christy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Can they pop that? Pop, pop.
Tap. Oh, happy birthday, Yaya Christy.
Christy, good morning. Happy birthday.
Hi Chris!
God
Good
bless.
morning, happy birthday, and God bless. Sana ito yung simula ng sana lagi kang malusog at laging maligaya. At
More birthday.
more birthdays to come, Chris. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Christy! God bless you!
Hi Christy, happy birthday. God bless you. Ingat ka palagi. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ninang Christy. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday, Ninang Christy. I love you.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment.
Happy birthday, Christy. Wishing you the best of the birthdays. And sana gustuhan mo yung regalo kong QR code sa'yo na pwedeng padalahan ng mga regalong ayuda. Sakaling may matanggap ako na bahala mag-Gcash papunta sa Gcash. Pero kung wala kang natanggap, siguro padadala ko na lang. Thank you. See you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Christy. Thank you sa pag-alaga kay Papa at kay Tita Tess. Yun, tsaka sa mga hayop dyan na yung mga pusa at aso. Yun. Alagaan mo rin sarili mo, Ate Christy. Thank you sa pag-alaga rin sa amin.
Happy birthday, Ate Christy.
Happy birthday, Ate Christy! Stay healthy!
God bless you.
Thank you for taking care of us. We
love
love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Christy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Christy!
Happy birthday, Tita! Kiss. Kiss.
Happy birthday, Tita! From Wanda and Barbie.
Happy birthday, Christy! Sabi din ni Bam Bam, happy birthday, Mama. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Christy! I love you! Happy birthday, Tita Christy! I love you!
Nang happy birthday. Christy karon na.
Manang Christy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Kabay pang tagaan kapag ni Lord sang damo kapag nga birthday nga ma-celebrate nimo kabay pa sa sunod nimo nga birthday makaupod ka man namon palangga kagid namon ng alang kami.
Happy birthday, Manang! I love you. Halong ka, Perme. Mwah!
Hello, Nang. Happy birthday. Salamat, gid, sa mga sakripisyo mo para sa amon. Salamat, gid, nga wala kagakatak-an nga magbulig diri sa amon labi na gid kay nanay. Palangga ka gid namon, Nang. Happy birthday.
Hello, Manang. Happy birthday. See you soon and I love you so much.
Day, happy birthday. Salamat gid sang imo suporta sa amon tanan. Oy gid sang sawa ka pag suporta mo sa amon. Halin sang un at subong ang imong pagsuporta sa amon, wala ka sa amon. Salamat gid, guys. Happy birthday. I love you.